Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig, and this one is from SHEIN, and I'm just gonna go in the box and see what we got in there. In the box I got this pair of stocking cap and the wig, of course. This is the wig, guys. It's a really nice blonde with highlights in it. It's straight. I believe the length is 26 inches. The knots are bleached already, as you can see. I believe it's pre-plucked also. It has two clips in the side, one in the top and another one in the back of it. I really like the texture of the hair. I love the way it feels, and it does not shred at all. You could see me, running my fingers through it, no problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a ball cap on my head before putting the wig on. And while I'm doing the ball cap, I'm not gonna really say much about what I'm doing because I do it all the time, or most of the time, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of figure you guys have a sense of what I'm doing, but if y'all wanted more detail, just let me know.
You never thought you dey from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, come me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want telling me. Putting on my fantasy. Don't want to check if my tapping go wrong. But it they rush fire well, it be more. Now gotta make my car be the wrong. The kind money we touch. Yeah, it they rush fire well, it be more. We be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling with us.
I'm gonna spray some of this lace tint on the inside part of the lace on the wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see how I like it. When I'm putting my wigs on, I usually like to use a clip like you see me doing there and pull the side back just out the way so it's easier to to fix it how I want it in the front without any of the flyaway hair getting into it. I also like to apply some edge wax on the hair just to keep the flyaway hairs down, you know what I'm saying, so they will stay out the way. Before I start applying the glue, I like to put the hair where I want it, then I roll it back. And the glue I'm using today is the Kiss Almighty Bond.
But you must hustle if you want job. You know finish them won't fight us. If them they run them no feet catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No con they from say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Come my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind.
So now I'm gonna pull the lace down on the glue where I want it, and then I'm gonna dry it with my blow dryer. After tying it down and leaving it to dry for a few, I'm gonna go ahead now and cut the lace off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a side part.
You never thought you dey from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, come me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane, my lane.
And I'm using my hot comb just to lay the hair down even better and tame it some more.
Make you dance like broccoli. Steady going like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what you want, telling me, cooking on my fantasy. Don't want to change.
Next, I'm gonna apply some concealer to the parting to brighten it up. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my sideburns. I'm also gonna be doing some baby hair, but unfortunately I didn't get that on camera. So the last thing I'm going to be doing to the wig in the video is go over it with my flat iron just to make it a little bit more straight and smooth and silky. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really love the way it turns out, and I really hope that you guys like it as well. I love the highlights going on in the hair. I love the length of the hair. I believe it's 26 inches if I'm not mistaken, and I will leave all the information down in the description box so you guys could find this one if you like it. But you can go on SHEIN and search for human hair, and you will find all the list of hair that they have. I also have a discount code for you guys so you could save on your purchase when you go on their website and buy any of the hair. So yeah guys, like I've mentioned before, the hair is so soft and silky and I haven't experienced any shredding from it. So I believe that's good. My favorite thing about this hair is the color, and I mean, I love the length, but the color really do gets me. Remember guys, go on their website, search human hair and see if you find anything that you like. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Jack